Yeah, guys, Desmond does share the food.
Same big and fat. In a show no manganese. Yeah, guys, you know it's your boy Pen Cuss, and today, guys, is an epic day. The day of success. And today, what we're gonna do? We're gonna cook some yam, banana, and some dumpling. We eat one of the puffy fish them. That's a soursop fish. So anyway, we have a soursop fish in the chunk. So I know we are right now going up a success, and where you find success in a Hanover. So I know we are going up to success now, guys. Complete all the journey now, and we reach our destination. So guys, we come link up with Desmond. So we're in a Desmond yard. So we come link up with Desmond. So today, Desmond I gonna carry a bush, and whatever we find today, a bush, you know we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you the soursop fish, or I'm gonna look about today. So peeps, I'm a brother this Desmond.
Yeah, right.
I'm a brother, you know what I mean? So you have to say to the people, Desmond.
Well, with that success journey with the pan, you know. So we go in the bush and now we go look what we find, you know, like food, anything, cane, anything. So now we see what we find.
That is right. So I'm gonna show you peeps. I'm gonna show you the soursop fish where I go look about. So just stay tuned and check in peeps. Let me see the soursop fish. And the soursop fish this. We're done, we have it in the bag. I'm gonna burst it out of the bag and make you guys have a look at it. Have to be careful, you know, guys. Can have some spikes there. But then spikes there have a juke you. Ain't nothing good, guys. Yes, guys, I ate this soursop fish. It we're gonna look about as soon as we get back from bush. So in the water they go and tar out now. You see me, guys? You have to be careful of them spikes here. We're gonna go up on the bush right now. So now just stay with us, peeps. And we're gonna carry up on the journey with us. So in a Desmond yard I go and build our vibes. So we're gonna jump back in the whip and head off to the bush. Desmond, you ready? Say dog, them a roll out. That is it. Remember if you like, share and subscribe. We're going to the bush now. So Desmond na film with the peeps. Yeah, man.
Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Head into the bush.
Yeah, guys, this is one more Desmond cow. Yes, man. My brother cow this, you know. And my brother property, you know. Yeah. Hey, boy, behave yourself. How you do? Now, man, Desmond, how much you cow? Yeah? Enough money, do you want? So cow you can buy car, man. Just Christ, I say big and fat. In a show no manganese. Hey, take out the good, you know. Because I'm not playing a rat race now. Just take out the good, you know, my youth. Because I don't feel like him because side step me. Like I mess with him. I mess with him, you know. That's my not train dog. I call the trainer dog. You never can pull the car. My not train number. Because I never can pull the car. And guys, so two more. I'm a brother covered yesterday. Yeah, man. So, you think I go on good, I not lie, I go on with himself. Yeah, guys. As you guys can see, we are so lucky that you can come back up and yam. We're lucky, guys.
You know, all them are yam, you know. All of them are yam, you know, you come here to take out. All of them are sprout yam. So them are yam are big.
Get this, man. Do the right thing, my brother. It's a beautiful day. Go down on your knees and pray. Thank God for see the sun shine. Go ahead. Yeah, guys, look at that. Guys, body now. Out, you know. Yeah, man. So at least we get food. God is good. All times we get food. Yeah, guys. So my brother still go and dig, you know. Dig up flat behind the camera. You know,
Yeah, man.
go.
Yeah, man, one bad ways.
Yeah, man, it's on hot, but if you want good, your nose have to run.
Lone I wilderness.
Still have peace more at the yam pitch up down there, you know. Yeah, we still have peace more yam down there. And we don't want to waste nothing. So we not left it behind. Now play no left behind with a piece of yam there. You're mad.
Crazy.
Now play no left behind.
Him a going apart.
Him a going apart, which is right. Healthy, you know? Nice piece. Yeah.
Any of them?
Nice renta.
Renta yam.
Renta? Yes, man. What's that, man? Look,
Giant.
like a piano.
Giant.
People want piano.
Yeah.
Don't study. That is it.
That is it.
Yeah, guys, at least we find food.
A lot of
We
food.
can't complain, guys.
A lot of food.
Lot of food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, still, we're not greedy or we're not eat enough. So, probably I just 2 pieces of this we look about, or 1, because we're not greedy. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And basically, I just the 3 of us. That is it, guys.
That is it.
Out here, have fun, you know?
Mm-hmm. Don't know West. One bad West behind the camera. You see me?
We're going to cook. All of this, we're going to cook. Them here, a head. We plant back. Them here go plant back. We're going to plant back them here. Probably not today. Probably tomorrow or in the week. But we're going to eat them here today. Food them here.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're going to eat today.
Epic.
Just grab the bag. We're going to
Epic.
bag them up on our guys.
Epic.
Work hard for what you want.
Sure.
Nothing come easy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No joke about it.
This man, I'll get 2 breadfruit off of the tree. If I even 1 is okay. Alright guys, you get 1. Believe that 1 is okay. Yeah. So this man I go feed, you know. Yeah, peeps. Nice breadfruit, you know?
You want dashing, you want me put nowadays, me put it.
Yeah, one dashing, same way.
so the-
Put everything in the bag. Yeah. True word. That is it. So peeps and guys, all them pan here, how you see, my brother used to feed him cow, him store water in them pan here. Same can feed him cow, you know what I mean? We must have some healthy cow, you know. Now them cow at them hungry, you know. So you know you have to take care of the cow then now. Water pan egg now. Go and get the cow now. Do it, my brother, do it. Yeah? Good look. Yeah guys, that is it, you know. Guys, a long time I don't buck up on a tree like this. You know the name of a tree here? Ching Ching tree. Remember a tree here guys, and time much more small. It used to have something like a boat. I don't know if you guys can see it. And we used to drop it in the water and say my boat that, you know. Yeah, my boat that. Alright guys, I have one on my hand. I'm gonna make you guys have a look at it. See it here? Yeah. Resemble one boat. Don't guys, look under the bottom of it. Resemble one boat. You can't tell me this on one boat. Just like our boat look. I see it look. You see mud pointed. Shape just like our one boat guys. Yeah. Guys, we have some lemon here. But they are very young. You can use them here and make lemon juice. And over here so guys, you have some calabash. When we're talking about calabash, calabash is what Rastaman use and make them plate. Okay, now Rasta said they not use Babylon plate, you know. So this is the calabash, guys. The Rastaman use this. The Rastaman let it dry. Then them clean out inside it and cut it in a two. So that's 2 plates for the bubble, you know what I mean? Yes guys, so we'll come back from out of the bush now. So Ketri, as soon as we reach up at the car guys. Yeah guys, so we reach back. We're at Desmond now. So I go jump in action and get the coal pot light up.
Yeah, cook some food. Cook some
Alright,
food.
so come here. Come cook some
Yeah.
light up the coal pot right now. Now in a pitch. You can jump in action same time. Coal pot light up and all, you know. There is a done lighter and light it, you see me? Yeah guys, so my brother go get the pot put on now. The pot my brother go put on. That's the one that we're gonna put the ground provision food in. So do you think brother? That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, my peeps. So the pot we're gonna use to put all the ground provision in. That is it.
Yeah, man.
So the water they go on add peeps. This is the water we're gonna use for pick out in feather, you know. So some fish. And see all of the ground provision here. What we get from down at the bush, because we tell us we never did that play greedy, don't? Yeah man, we have a one cocoa same way. Brother they pick the breadfruit. I know you guys did see that. We have the one dashing. We have the soft yam. We have the renter. Yeah man, so stay tuned for all of this guys. Yeah guys, the water get hotter now. So I'm gonna put him in a pot. Make him go and get hot. So what we're gonna do in the meanwhile guys, I go pick out him feather them meanwhile. Cause a bad boy, you know. I go pick out him feather them in the meanwhile guys. Stubborn, you know? Yeah guys, so Uncle Charles I go and get the soursop fish, get the bone them out of it, pick out. You have to be careful guys. I'm going to show you what it look like. You see it? We have to use our pliers because any mistake damage to your finger. So stay tuned for all of that. We got the pot put on for the ground provision. West Bank over there, so. Guys, look more. We have some fun with some jelly, you know, guys. You know, you see a lot of jelly tree. Now they surrounded. All of them look very lovely. So stay tuned for all of this. Whenever the soursop fish finish get clean up, we're gonna make you see all right, guys. So stay tuned. That's right.
Call it star fruit, breadfruit. So we up here, so we peel with breadfruit. So we cut off the breadfruit. Yeah, so we cut off. See it? That part of let's come out easy. I so food. And then we start
Right,
like
guys.
this. Yo.
Combination, you know, man.
And then we start doing a thing like this. We start peeling now. We are peel renta yam. The sweetest yam. Renta yam. Renta yam and sweet yam are the two sweetest yam. Not to mention one where they call the yellow yam. My God. Finger licking. Yes, man, finger licking.
We're going to get the soursop fish pick out, guys. So stay tuned to all of that, guys. Desmond get all the breadfruit peel already. Now Desmond peeling the yam.
Renta yam.
That's right. So stay tuned for all of that, guys. Guys, remember, these are the yam that Desmond did dig when I in ground. They're looking good. Yeah, guys, take a view of the place. Everything nice, guys. Everything beautiful, you know? Yeah, guys. Yeah. So, there you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so Desmond I go and get the flour need. So stay tuned for all of that, guys.
You don't want no more can.
But alright. Yeah, guys, you know we have to throw some corn in the flour down. So stay tuned for all of that, guys. We dumpling them, put in the pot. So you know, so just roll and press. Because, guys, rain and fall, you know, guys. Rain and fall, as you guys can see. Rain and fall. But in the rain with it, I do it, you see me? Yeah, man. Rain and fall, guys. So stay tuned while Desmond get the dumpling and put in the pot. Yeah, guys. So Desmond I do the right thing, you know. So once I fish this clean up and look good. So what I'm gonna do now, I will get the soursop fish bust and clean up inside right now, guys. Yeah guys, get the fish clean up now. That are the soursop fish. We have to some vinegar on it. Cut the rawness. Yeah man, we're gonna cut the rawness, you know? Yeah, that is it. Yeah guys.
Dumpling, breadfruit and yam.
Yeah guys, everything looking wonderful, you know? There's man the chef. Fit to that? Yeah, there's one. Cool on.
Yeah. No, sir.
Yeah guys, man, I already add piece of garlic already. Yeah guys, I'll get the pot put on now. Yeah guys, that's the pot where I put on to throw some oil in it after the pot get hot, so we can get the soursop fish curry. That is it guys, stay tuned for all of that. Yeah guys, we're gonna use some curry. If I look at tip of curry upon it. If I look at tip of salt. I'm gonna tip some fish season. I'm gonna use some all-purpose season. Season your body now guys. All-purpose. Oh god. It's a season of everything nice I can think of guys. Nice, you know? Yeah. Some all-purpose, you know? And then I'm gonna use some jerk season. Jerk. Jerk him up, you know? So I'm gonna make the season go and marinate tonight. Then I'm gonna take my time and rub him in. Slowly but surely. Rub him in guys. Till everything get the flavor. That is it. After I finish rubbing him in, this is what him look like. Looking good. Damn. Yeah guys, get the butter knife pattern, huh? Yeah guys, I'll throw some curry. I have to burn the curry first, so I say guys.
You have to look at it now. We find it here. Look at
Yeah guys, that is it, you know?
no, pepper nicely.
Yeah, that's easy.
Now the pot to cook the coffee.
Yeah guys. Everything cooked now guys, ready for come off, you know? Alright guys. Right now we're gonna throw in the garlics, scallion, pepper, onion, bell pepper guys, and we have some garlic already cut up. Yeah guys, Desmond just shared the food. Everything looking so lovely guys.
Country style cooking.
So Desmond I gotta go down and film on. So let's wait for that guys. Yeah man, Desmond I gotta go down and film.
Yeah.
Go down on my own, you know guys. Go down on my own right now.
Oh gosh. It's an epic one, man. It's a good look. Yeah, man.
Soursop fish, guys.
Yeah, man.
Sweet corn, nice.
Holy heap of stamina in a soursop fish, you know, man.
Sweet peas, sweet corn, what a combination. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and consume some food. So catch me when I finish eating.
Desmond a good on enough feed me now.
Me I tell you, food nice. Very nice.
Yeah man. Check in for our west side. Yeah, go on good dog. Lord God. Guys, look at them pretty jelly there. No sir. So guys, it's my own. Guys, you know I love dumpling to the max. So my one, you know guys. I love dumpling to the max guys. So I not too like breadfruit too much you know. Yeah. So my mat's up 4 dumpling already guys. So I'm going to stay tuned, alright? Yeah guys. You know we're at this moment. But 4 of us
Yes.
eat, our belly full. Everything was very epic. A wonderful day in the country. I'm happy to respect to my brother Desmond and my uncle. They make everything possible so we can come our country and have a nice time. So at least guys, thanks to all you guys who tune in, watch the video from the first to the end of it. Respect for all you guys, respect again for that. So what we're gonna do now, we have to go back way back. I'm up here, you know, that's where we're from. So we're gonna take on the journey just a bit guys. So we just want to say respect to all you guys again and thank you for your support and keep on watching every video that we upload on YouTube. So we're gonna close the video now. We have to say to the people.
Yeah, well, we give thanks and praise for life, you know. And we want to give thanks for journey's mercy, bringing us back from country.